Here's the quick, easy way to make savory stuffed peppers. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Cut the peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds. Place the halves with the open side up on a baking sheet or roasting pan lined with parchment paper. Chop the onion. And mince the garlic. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan and fry the onion for 3 minutes. Add the garlic and cook an additional minute. Add the ground beef and cook 3 minutes or until no longer pink. Add the rice and the drained corn. Season to taste with paprika and pepper and salt in moderation. Fill the peppers with the mixture. And drizzle with the remaining 1 tablespoon of oil. Bake for about 20 minutes at 375 degrees until soft. Stuffed peppers made the simple, savory way. Enjoy!